Welcome to Java Inheritance. Inheritance allows a software developer to derive a new class from an existing one. The existing class is called the parent class, superclass, or base class. The derived class is called the child class or subclass. As the name implies, the child inherits characteristics of the parent, such as methods and data defined for the parent class. Inheritance relationships are often shown graphically in a UML class diagram, with an arrow with an open arrowhead pointing to the parent class. Inheritance should create an is-a relationship, meaning the child is a more specific version of the parent. In this example, a car is a vehicle. We use the reserved word extends to establish inheritance relationship as shown above. Class car extends vehicle. You will also use visibility modifiers. Visibility modifiers determine which class members can be used by derived classes and which cannot. Public. Variables and methods declared with public visibility can be used. Private. Variables and methods declared with private visibility cannot.